Hi everyone, we're back in the workshop. So we're looking at the painting for the restoration of the Unimat SL Lathe. So I've managed to get hold of this paint from Paragon. There's a company here in the UK, and I've done some test paints. Let's move the camera out a bit, so it's a bit wobbly. So that was the original one, and this is it. So I don't have a bit of original SL to show you, but it's pretty close, and I've decided that's based on where we are now and the need to get this thing going, that we're going to stick with this colour. So as in the previous video, everything was cleaned up and ready for painting. So I've done a bit of masking to try and stop me painting everything. I'm having to paint it by hand because I don't have any spraying equipment, and even if I did, I don't know how to do it. So that's good, the compressor's gone off next door. So yeah, that's a plan to get these bits and bobs painted up, and I'll bring you back when I've done that. Okay, be back in a while. Hi everyone, so this is the following day. I did film after I finished painting yesterday, but I managed to get in the clips the new milling machine, which I didn't really want to show you yet. So having to do this again. So I painted all the parts that needed painting yesterday. Covered quite well, reasonably well, and I'm just here to give it a second coat. I left, I think in yesterday's part of the film, I had said I think it was a reasonable colour match, but I didn't have anything to match it against. Well, I have today, and it doesn't match at all. So even for me, who's got a quite colourblind, this is I can see this doesn't match, which is not desirable. But I'm going to continue with this colour because, to be honest, this machine is for me to use in the workshop rather than for anyone else. And I've got the other SL, so I'm going to try and get a better colour match on that one. Yeah, I did just buy this straight from Paragon Paint, so I didn't actually inquire with them to try and get a colour match. So I will make some, or contact them and see if we can do a better job. Anyway, I'm going to give it a second coat, and then, well, I guess I'll bring you back when I've done that. Hopefully I only need two. Yeah, okay. So thanks so much. Bye-bye. So we're still in the workshop. I've given it all the second coat now. I'm not sure. I'm getting more distressed with the results, to be honest. But we'll have a look and see how things look tomorrow. But yeah, it looks a little bit darker, but nowhere near the original colour. And I just can't paint it to get a good finish. So yeah, hugely disappointed, but we'll progress somehow. Anyway, that's the next little bit for this. So we will do some more filming before I make a video to release. Okay, thanks so much. Hi everyone, so we're back. Since the last clip, it's a couple of days have passed, and I've just left everything. I've only given things 2 coats. Calmed down slightly because of the colour match. It's pretty atrocious, really. But as I said the other day, it's for my use. So yeah. Anyway, and I will look for the proper match. It's can't let it beat me now. So all I wanted to just talk to you about what I've done, and I watched a video series on restoring a lathe by I think his name's Jeffrey Crocker, and he was doing a _𝗏𝗡𝗏 lathe, and once he had finished everything painting, he applied some wax to the all the paintwork, you know, like just standard car wax, and it was just so during the reassembly process, if you get covered in oil and grease and such like, just makes it a bit easier to come off to start with. Probably slightly over the top, but anyway, I don't mind over the top really. So the all I'm going to do is just apply some of this to it, to all the component parts, take the masking off, and then I'll bring you back just to have a final little look at it. I don't think it's going to look much different from this, but just for completeness, that's what I do. Okay, I'll see you in a little while. Hi everyone, so back again. So I've finished my polishing and taken off the masking tape. And just this isn't fitted. It's just pushed into the hole. It's not, and the waves are all still moving, and yeah. But we're now in a situation where we can start to think about reassembling. Just to wrap up the paint stuff. Lessons learnt, you're probably far better to try and gain the skills to use spray can rather than paintbrush. It's although it's covered and protected, it's not very appealing to the eye. Definitely made sense doing all the masking prior to the painting, and takes a little bit of time, and I've never, to be truthful, never really done it before, and it's reasonable results. I don't know whether the massive value on doing the putting the wax on there, but you know, it doesn't hurt really. So the only thing I've got left to do is just to go through all the through all the holes. You can see I've got a bit of wax in there, just clean all that out, ready, so everything's tickety-boo, ready to start thinking about the assembly process. I haven't done the ways yet. I've tried to make a tool up, you know, to do the lapping, but messed that up completely. So I've ended up focusing on this, so I need to get back onto that. So yeah, that's where it is. Apologies, it's the wrong colour, but as I said in the previous little clip, I will find a way to get the right colour, and I will also experiment maybe with, you know, bearing in mind, as we know, this is like 2 hands, it's not very long. You probably could do it with, well, I think actually, you guys tell me if you're familiar with it, but I thought maybe like an airbrush probably would be sufficient to do something this small, and a way of sort of maybe guaranteeing a better finish. So if you've got experience with that, please give me some advice, and because I've got a second one of these, we can use that as a bit of a lessons learned sort of exercise, and try and just sort of, I can make the odd video just showing where things are not quite right, and or ways to improve what I've been doing here. Okay, well that's about it for painting, and as always, stay happy, strong and healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.